Hello, Darren Martineau here from Master Magic University. And have you ever wondered if your favorite magician is holding out on you? They might be, not with secrets, but with props. Get ready to unlock the true potential of your magic with these three seriously underrated props. You'll be shocked by what these seemingly simple props can do. No grand illusions, just pure mind-bending magic that will leave your audience completely stunned. Ready to elevate your performance without breaking the bank? Here we go. So forget what you know about powerful magical props. I'm about to reveal my top three underrated uh, magic props that can literally transform your magical performances. These aren't flashy, expensive gadgets, but hidden gems that professional magicians often overlook. Prepare to be amazed by the versatility and audience impact you can achieve with just these three simple things. So what are they, you might be wondering? Well, number one is a thumb tip. That's right, a thumb tip. There's so many incredible effects. I'll just mention a couple of them that you can do with the thumb tip. Of course, there's the $100 bill change made famous by Roger Klaus. There's also a signed bill to Sugar Packet by Dean Dill. And there's many, many other things, such as Gaetan Bloom's Challenge Ring Flight. Now, that's secret prop number one. There's many other things you can do, okay? Secret prop number two is levitation. That's right, invisible thread. This is so overlooked. Street magicians use this. That's how they gather crowds. And when I worked in magic shops many years ago, and I've owned my own magic shops, this is this is the best seller, and that's the helicopter card created by Bob Hummer. Now, number three is very simple. It's a mentalism. It's a peak device. There's many, many different peak devices. The one I like best is one that I've actually created and I've put it in my system. So if you'd like to learn these and much more, click on the link, put in your email. I have a new system where I'm going to show you 14 free magic tricks and my magic mini course where I go into the deep principles and theory of magic. In my new Master Magic University, it's only $20 a month. You get access to thousands and thousands of magic video tutorials and hundreds of magic books. So join now and we'll see you on the inside of Master Magic University. Thank you very much and subscribe.